Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is a foundation row of half double crochet. What's different about it is it's very stretchy. If you start with a regular foundation chain, your project at the base does not have stretch. So if you do a whole foundation row of half double crochet, it'll give your project the stretch it needs, so it'll flow with the rest of the project. And I'm going to show you how to make that right now. Okay, starting with a regular slip knot, you're going to chain 2. It's going to be the height of a half double crochet. Then you're going to yarn over just like you would for a regular half double crochet. Turn it over, go into the back bump of your first chain, pull up a loop. Now it's just like you're doing a regular half double crochet, but before you do the half double crochet, you're going to yarn over and make 1 chain. And make it a little bit of a loose chain, then yarn over, pull through all 3 to finish your half double crochet. Then you're going to yarn over again to start your next half double crochet, turn it towards you. You're going to see these 2 strands right here kind of make a V. That's the chain that you just made. You want to grab and get under both of those. Yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops on your hook. You're going to make a chain 1, make it a little bit loose, then yarn over, finish your half double crochet, and pull through all 3. Yarn over for the next half double crochet, turn this towards you, get under both strands of the last chain that you just made. Pull up a loop, yarn over and chain 1, yarn over, pull through the remaining 3. Yarn over, get under both strands of the chain that you just made, pull up a loop, chain 1, make it a little bit loose, yarn over, pull through the remaining 3. And now what we have is a foundation row of half double crochet, and because there's a stitch between each chain, it allows the bottom of your project to stretch the same way the rest of your project would. So if you made a long scarf and you didn't do this, it would start to bow on you, which doesn't look good after you wear it for a couple weeks. Same thing if you were making a baby blanket. The bottom would stay tight and the rest would start to bow out, and it wouldn't look as nice. So doing a foundation row without a foundation chain and just doing a whole foundation row of half double crochets, it allows your project to stretch from the bottom with the rest of your project. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.